God knows whether it is bear or bull. Does it even matter for a founder to think about bear and bull is also a question, at least for me. Like, if you're a founder, you're a builder, if it has value, you will be committed to it. But whatever it is, if you have to give like 4 or 5 very important takeaways that you would like to share the founders who are building now, what would be that?
Yeah, there's definitely a lot of points I could say, but to keep it short, one, hope for the best and prepare for the worst. So when that comes to raising money, prepare for the worst, meaning it may take you twice as long as you expect, especially with elections coming up. A lot of people are going to be holding their wallets. I know this because when you're raising a fund, LPs are the same. They want to kind of wait and see how elections go, right? So just prepare for that. Start building your network today, not tomorrow, today. So if you haven't been posting on socials, do that. If you haven't been going to events, you need to do that. You have to start somewhere to build your network of investors. 3, be very honest about the strengths and weaknesses of yourself and your team. And so if you need to bring someone on, and a lot of founders bang their head against the wall for many years because they think, oh, I'm the sales guy and I'm the tech guy and I'm the product guy. And it's like, you're probably not. You're probably not the unicorn person. I'm not. I mean, I meet a lot of founders. It's very rare, and there's no ego around that. It's just, look, drop the ego and bring someone on that can help that. And maybe that person can lead. I've met founders where the COO is the one doing all the fundraising, and that's normal and best in many companies like that. And then lastly is, as you scale and you actually raise your round, however long you think your runway is, always give yourself another 6 months of leeway. Because whenever I read their projections, I'm always like, yeah, you're way too optimistic. And I much more believe founders that are pessimistic. On the call, you can be optimistic about where you're going, but on your numbers, be pessimistic.